Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join the Fisch trading Discord server. First, find the official invitation link, usually available on their website or social media. Clicking this link will direct you to the Discord application or website. Make sure you are logged into your Discord account or create one if you haven't already. This initial step is crucial for gaining entry to the server and its valuable resources. Once you've joined, you'll likely encounter a verification process. This often involves clicking a specific emoji or answering a simple question to confirm you're not a bot. After verification, take time to thoroughly read the server rules. These guidelines ensure a positive and respectful environment for all members. Adhering to them is essential for a smooth experience. With verification complete, you can now explore the various trading channels. Look for sections dedicated to different asset classes, such as stocks, options, or cryptocurrency. Each channel serves a unique purpose, offering discussions and insights. Remember to engage respectfully, contributing positively to the community. This is where you'll find valuable information and connect with fellow traders. The Fisch Trading Discord server offers a wealth of educational resources, from market analysis to trading strategies. Don't hesitate to ask questions and participate in discussions. It's a fantastic way to learn and grow. Remember to check the description for links to these resources, as well as other great deals, like keeping your car smelling fresh with Little Tree's black ice. Enjoy being part of this dynamic trading community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.